SNAA Medic Sendirian Berhad was established by A Bio Sendirian Berhad in October 2010. Its goal is to manufacture human diagnostic kits for the local and export markets, especially for the Asian region. The region, which comprises of 10 countries, has a combined population of 500 million people. It is still blighted by many types of tropical diseases such as malaria, typhoid, dengue, and communicable diseases such as HIV. The company is also looking at neighboring countries such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka as its potential export markets. The shareholders of SNAA Medic comprise A Bio Sendirian Berhad, Ambot Chering Mary, and Muhammad Tahir Muhammad Noor. A Bio is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Malaysian Industry Government Group for High Technology, or MITE, a federal agency under the Prime Minister's Department. The formation of SNAA Medic augurs well for the biomedical industry of Malaysia, especially in the sector of biodiagnostic kits. It is the first step towards turning the country as a source of world-quality biomedical products for the world market. The establishment of SNAA Medic will help spearhead the country's biomedical industry in terms of production, marketing, research and development of biomedical products in general, and diagnostic kits in particular. It will help lessen the dependency of the country on imported diagnostic kits and consequently reduce the outflow of funds. This will inspire and spur researchers in the local universities to be involved in developing a whole range of diagnostic kits, not only for the tropical diseases, but also other ailments that affect the people worldwide. SNAA Medic will play a crucial role to commercialize those R&D products and market them to the world.